Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily stretch videos on CapCut PC to make a meme, I guess. So I just have this random video and I want to stretch it horizontally or vertically. So make sure your uniform scale is off, and here's where you can scale the height. So for instance, I want to stretch it upwards like this. I can't do that. Or you can also select this and scale the width to stretch it sideways like this. And that is basically it. If you want to just lock it in place, you're going to enable uniform scale again, and you can kind of scale it without the width and height moving around. So this is just to lock it in place. If you want to, I guess, bring it back to the width, just double click on the words here and then enable uniform scale again if you want to just scale it up. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!